Disable Microsoft Defender from Windows 11 Settings, Temporary. 1. Open the Settings app using the Windows 11 keyboard shortcut Win+I and switch to the Privacy and AMP, Security tab from the left sidebar. Under the Security section, click on Windows Security. 2. Up next, click on Open Windows Security. Your Windows 11 PC will open the Windows Security app in a dedicated window. 3. You will now see Windows Security's home screen. Here, click on the Virus and AMP, Threat Protection option. 4. Under the Virus and AMP, Threat Protection Settings section, click on Manage Settings to reconfigure Windows Defender on Windows 11. 4. Under the Virus and AMP, Threat Protection Settings section, click on Manage Settings to reconfigure Windows Defender on Windows 11. 5. Now, disable the Real-Time Protection toggle and other toggles on this page to temporarily disable Windows Defender on your Windows 11 PC.